this capstone entry, I have decided to investigate the low-lying coastal nation of Bangladesh and see how rising sea levels are going to and already are affecting. The threat of even 1 meter of sea level rise is the displacement of 20 million people. Because Bangladesh is such a densely populated area, it is particularly vulnerable. In Lab 10 of this course, we examined how demographic factors can increase the vulnerability of a region to flooding. Along with being at a very low elevation, Bangladesh does not have the resources to engineer complicated levee systems like has been done in Holland or New Orleans. Flooding has always been an issue in Bangladesh, but this problem will only be exaggerated as the earth warms. As temperatures increase, global sea levels are rising for 2 distinct reasons. First, the melting of the Antarctic and Greenland ice sheets has the potential to cause a rise of up to 66 meters if they were to completely melt. Additionally, steric sea level rise happens because as the water temperature increases, it expands and becomes less salty. Rising sea level on its own will cause flooding, especially in low-lying areas like Bangladesh, but global warming also has the potential to increase the risks of flooding because of the increasing intensity of storm surges from cyclones and other heavy rainfall events. As I said, Bangladesh does not have the resources to create the kinds of solutions to these problems that more highly developed nations can. However, there is a new idea that is being discussed in Bangladesh as well as in other nations affected by these problems, allowing controlled flooding to run its course. This method could help bring in silt to actually elevate land levels. It is a controversial idea, however, because it would still be destructive for those who live in the areas that would be flooded.